Welcome to the Day 7 quiz from the Bible Suite's Bible Eating Guide. Today you should have read Job 14 to 16, which covers Job expressing despair over death, Eliphaz accusing Job again, Job realizing his friends aren't really that cool, and then his frustrations with God. There's 8 questions in today's quiz, and you'll have 15 seconds to answer each one. If this is your first time here, you can follow along with us and grab my Bible Eating Guide right here, or you can check the description. And don't forget to let me know how you guys do in the comments. I actually do want to know. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, that was Job 14 to 16, and don't forget to let me know how you did in the comments because I do want to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.